Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Trading Card Cave. Today we have RC Explosion Box volume, I don't remember, we're in the 40s. So I've been doing this since volume 3, volume 50, whoa, volume 50. There's only 7 packs this month, but some sweet ones. Topps Finest, Chrome Update Sapphire. I've never opened a pack of Sapphire or anything. 2022 update, 21 Bowman, 1 retail pack. That's okay. Last month there was like 11 packs, but this month is 7 because of how expensive the Sapphire and I think the Bowman pack is. So, there's peanuts everywhere. Put these back in the box. This will be a pretty quick video. Here we go. We'll go with the, this time we'll go with the oldest pack first because it's probably the least desirable. Normally I save the oldest for last, but that's only when he has like early 80s stuff. So Gomber rookie, Shohei. That looks like it could be a short print. Ends in 75. Nope, probably not. Probably not a short print. Nothing good in that one. 19 Series 2. Looking for Vlad, Tatis, and Alonso. Nick Kufo. Carlos Toki. Pretty Bellinger. Alright. Not much of that one. 20 Chrome. Alvarez, Bichette, and Robert. Brandon McKay. Refractor. And Iglesias. Well, we'll skip the Bowman. We'll go to Topps Chrome Update. Julio, Bobby, Jeremy, Pena, Torkelson, Quan, Franco, Green, Abrams, Lewis. Kodo. Gosh, Topps. Look at that damage right there. You can feel it too. O'Neal Cruz. And a Royce Lewis, purple. Oh, sleeve that one up. Gosh, Topps, there's tons of damage in this pack. We'll do the Bowman. Martin, Jordan, Amador, Acosta, Rodriguez, Julio Rodriguez, I guess, Alcantara, Bichette. There's a Sanchez. Oh, there's a Cepedas refractor rookie with some scratches. First Bowman refractor auto. Not familiar with him. 5'9", 205 from Cuba. He's an outfielder. Nice. We got a blue shimmer coming up. Forrest Whitley. That's numbered to 150. Julio. That's it. Let's leave this blue shimmer. I'll send this to ComC. Sell it for $1 or something. We'll do the Topps Finest. Never opened up a pack of Topps Finest either. We're looking for Julio, Wander, Witt, Pena, Cruz, Torkelson, Kwan, and Green. Vlad Refractor, Tatis, and a Reed Detmers rookie. So nothing much in that one. Last pack, Sapphire Edition. Looking for the same guys as the Finest, pretty much. All base. Azokar, Cologne, and Taylor Hearn. Well, that's it. Nothing crazy. Did get an auto. Not sure what that's worth, but that'll do it for volume 50 of the RC Explosion Box. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Good luck ripping. God bless.